Here's a pair of the JBuds Lux Headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio Smart TV. This is the V series and we're connected via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these headphones into pairing mode, okay? So look at the one ear cup here with all the buttons, and the one that doesn't have anything, that's the power/Bluetooth button, okay? So what we want is, we want the light here to blink blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. So power/Bluetooth button here. Let's turn this on first, and let's see if it goes into pairing mode right away. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. I said JLab on. And where's the blue, red, blue, red, blue, red? Okay, I don't get a blue, red, blue, red, probably because it's connected to a different one of my other phones or something. Let me turn these off first, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and press and hold for a few seconds. Now it's off. Now what I'm gonna do to put this in pairing mode for myself is I'm gonna press and hold this power button until it starts blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? Power button here, they're currently off. Ready, press and hold. Now keep holding. It said JLab on, keep holding, wait. Blue, red, blue, red. It's in pairing mode. Now you gotta hurry up before time runs out. We're gonna go to the Vizio TV here. You wanna go to settings. You can navigate, just go to the home page, and then you can move over to the left and you can go down to settings down there, or just simply just tap your settings button on your remote. And from here, if you have Bluetooth headphones right there, you can go that way. If not, we're just gonna go all the way down to all settings right there. Let's go ahead and select that. And then from here, we're gonna go down to Bluetooth devices and remote. Right there, select that, and it's still in the pairing mode here. Oh, and then let's go down to headphones. Okay, that. And that little searchy thing there on the bottom, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Okay, these are still in a pairing mode, so we're still good. So let's just wait for it to find it, and the JLab JBuds Lux, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go down, go ahead and select it to pair. It said Bluetooth connected on the headphones, and it did say connected down there as well. So we're connected and ready to go, and you can see the volume rockers here working as well. Now, if you had any kind of issues like pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.